Let's talk Python. Assignment. Operations. Assignment operations in Python are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operation is the equal sign, which assigns the value on its right to the variable on its left. Types of assignment. Operations. 1 equal to assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. Example. Variable x equals value 10. 2 addition equals adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Note hashtag in Python means comment. Example. X plus equals 5 or x equals x plus 5. 3 subtraction equals subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example, x minus equals 3 or x equals x minus 3. 4 multiplication equals multiplies the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example. X asterisk equals 2 or x equals x asterisk 2. 5 division equals divides the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example. X slash equals 4 or x equals x slash 4. 6 modulus equals computes the modulus of the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example. X% equals 3 or x equals x% 3. 7 exponentiation equals raises the left operand to the power of the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example. X exponentiation asterisk asterisk equals 2 or x equals x exponentiation asterisk asterisk 2. 8 floor division equals divides the left operand by the right operand, returns the floor, and assigns the result to the left operand. Example. X // equals 3 or x equals x // 3. Evaluation. A equals 10, b equals 5. So let's add variable value a and b by storing them in a variable x. X plus equals a b or x equals a plus b. Print x, then run it by tapping on the arrow. We get 15 at the terminal output. So also when we replace with minus we will get x minus equals a b or x equals a minus b. Print x and terminal output is 5. Replace with multiplication. X asterisk equals a b or x equals a asterisk b. Print x and output terminal is 50. Replace with division. X slash equals a b or x equals a slash b. Print x and output terminal is 2.0. Replace with modulus. X% equals a b or x equals a percent b. Print x and output terminal is 0. Replace with raised to the power. A exponentiation asterisk asterisk equals 2 or a equals a exponentiation asterisk asterisk 2. Print a and tap the arrow is gives the value of variable a, which it is 10 times 10 equals 100 at the terminal output. Replace with floor division. X // equals a b or x equals a // b. Print x, the terminal output is 2. Like, share and subscribe.